Backup and restore vector databases. The Database Backup and Restore feature provides a means to collect, save and restore system data. You can back up an existing Tyco database or restore a database from a specified folder location for the system SQL instance. The Backup Restore tab is split into two sections. The upper section is used for database backup procedures, the lower section for restore procedures as shown on screen. To perform a vector database backup, right-click on the Server Configuration application and select Run as Administrator. Once the Server Configuration application has opened, select the Backup Restore tab. Select the required databases using the checkboxes next to each database by double-clicking on the required checkbox, or select all databases using the top checkbox. Choose the destination folder to host the backup. You can select the default SQL folder or specify an alternate folder. Select the Backup Databases button. The backup progress is indicated during the operation. If the operation succeeds, a dialog appears stating backup is complete. Click OK. The vector database has now been backed up. To restore a vector database, select the Refresh Backup List button to display available backups. Select the source folder that hosts the required backup. You can select the default SQL folder or specify an alternate folder. You can use the Display Options section to view and filter available databases. Select the required database by double-clicking on the required checkbox or select all databases using the top checkbox. Select the Restore Selected Databases button. A confirmation dialog is displayed. Click OK. Progress is indicated during the operation. If the operation is successful, a dialog displays stating that the restore is complete. Click OK. Please note that the restore and backup procedure overrides all current Victor Unified Client system data. You have now completed a backup and restore of a vector database.